Morning, it's March the 10th. We're here in Christchurch. Craig and I rode down for the day, and then so I'm here waiting for Craig. We've just come through security, and he's carrying a ammunition. People I hang around with, eh? Yeah, g'day, it's March the 10th. We're back in Auckland. We've got Craig and Chris here. They bought the Buell. Chris brought the Buell back up from Waihi. We recovered it the other day out at Taupo. So we're just going to put her in, get the belt fixed, get her back on the road, and someone else will be riding into Harley heaven.